I have placed these strips of bacon. At the store, they said this was Indiana bacon. Well, I wonder what that means. I guess it's from Indiana. I've placed these strips in a non-stick pie pan. If you have a toaster oven, you have a setting for toasting, and that employs both the top and bottom elements, which gives you an opportunity to do all kinds of really neat things, like bacon. I pop the bacon into the toaster oven, and I'm going to do one toast setting. On my timer, that would be 3 minutes and 47 seconds. You can adjust it on your toaster oven to your preference. Well, okay, so this is the way I like my bacon done, and it's all evenly done and cooked. They're not wrinkly like if you fry them. And so I'm going to place these pieces on a paper towel to drain. If you like it crisper, of course that might be just another toast setting. And here's something, just a variation that you might want to try. 2 eggs, a little salt, pop the eggs into the toaster oven, and let's start that toast setting again. Two toast cycles. These sunny side up eggs look terrific. Don't forget the toast. Oh my. Look at this beautiful breakfast. Oh, you could stand at the stove, fry everything up. I'd rather have my toaster oven do it for me. Buy my cookbook. Pop it in the toaster oven. You can buy it anywhere. Got lots of great, easy recipes in it.